Good morning, my name is Laudi Marina Ramirez Amezquita. Introduction. Technology and negotiation are a critical element for from the competitive of innovative world in the rapid evolution in technology-driven world of business. To maintain a competitive edge in their respective industry, companies must continually keep up with emerging technology and innovative solutions. The process of negotiating technology assessors can a valuable tool for boosting the acts the latest technology in innovation which can help them do stand up of competitions. Therefore, the task at hand is develop a comprehensive strategy for technology and negotiations that aims promote the competitive of innovative business. This strain solves the things to identify in potential technology and part analytic the max market trend in innovative and determine the negotiation approach to secure for it. Additionally, strategies of implement the importance of bold strong relative with technology as in part do force on correct match the benefit of the partner be implementing the accessible full technology as a negotiation strange innovative business and are the core technology and come they need to remain competitive and drive growth in their respective industries. Objetivos. General objective. The develop and implement comprehensive technology as negocios strength and promote the competitive for business. Specific objective. In-depth potential technology and establish strong relative with the two maximum depth of collaboration and negotiation for it days. Analytic the large market trend in emerging technology through determining which technologies and innovation can corporate component to business, determining to affect negotiating approach to favorite these are uses a technology and how that can enlarge the business competition. Group 5. Inference. It is establishing the inferences of marvel of a break contract with on plate of 35 millones pesos. Terminations. 5 de mayo del 2027. Show of lab. It's be low under the contract of 56 of tax track allow in be key to develop of contract. Disputed resolution. Need are established every 3 months allow to indefinite task to this be software of no dispute no rest considering the contract termination. Conclusions. The importance of will they negotiate on technology that if do organize a good work team for good short and medium term one sanguine will have to see about the technology look of the place.